BULL stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm just looking at Webull stock, yeah, it just kind of got listed, you know. We went up like 388% up today, which is a crazy performance. In situations like this, most of the times I just look to milk it up when it's absolutely juicy. So I'm saying in the upcoming next day, it's all just long ideas. Now, I'm going to stick to my trend, you know, my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos, because I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And Webull stock specifically, it's going to be like an intraday, of course, opportunity. I'm saying, yeah, this is a solid demand zone. But unless I see the price actually taking the time to pull down a bit and then showing me some sort of shift, then why the heck would I look to buy? I mean, random buys are never going to be a thing, at least for me, because, you know, I've been burned so many times before. But yeah, we'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.